everybody, and welcome back to another Christmas DIY video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So let's go ahead and get started with today's tutorial. So what we're going to be creating is a holiday card. Now what I will be using is some scrap cardstock that I already had left over from previous projects, okay? Stuff that I probably should have thrown away, but I'm like, I could probably use that for something else. Yeah, I'm that type of crafter. But so this might not be a perfect square, rectangle shape at all. So I'm just going to fold it in half first, and then we can see what we're working with, because I have scissors and we can always trim it down to the correct size, okay? All right, so I'm just going to press down firmly here on the edges. And as you can see, like right there, it's not all that even, but that's okay. I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to go ahead and even this out the best way I can. Look good to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring over, oh, this fits so perfect. Like, who would have known? Who would have thought? Like, these are just random scraps that I had just laying around. I was gonna cut, like as you can see, it's like a little wider on this side versus this side, so I was gonna cut it off a little bit to make it even, but hopefully I do it right? Because I'm just eyeballing at this point. And if I don't, it's not a big deal, but look a little better than it was before, okay? So I'm gonna now grab this scrap piece that I have left over, and I'm gonna place this behind this scrap fabric. Cardstock. Sorry, I'm so used to saying fabric. Okay, so this is how it will look on the card. I also have this little piece right here from the ornament, the little piece that went right there in the center. I'm going to also place that on there. What I will be using is some double-sided tape to put these pieces together. So I have this little double-sided tape right here. So I'm just going to press firmly down like so. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this, and we're going to go ahead and place it on the front of our card. I did go ahead and warm up my hot glue gun. Let's see if it's ready to go, and it is. So I'm just going to place a little bit on the back. Okay. Perfect. All right, so that portion is done. Oh, forgot about this part here. So I cut this out in the square shape in the hopes of making it look something like a present. These scrap pieces that I have here, I'm going to make this look like a bow. All right, now we have our little bow. We could probably even fluff it. I'm just going to glue along both sides and the bottom. Got our money inside. And for the bow, I'm going to place it, let's see. And I'm going to also add this little candy that actually matches the little stripes and lines and everything goes inside of the present. So yeah, crafting is crafting. Sometimes it goes the way you envision, and then sometimes it totally does not, okay? But this was very simple and really easy. Like, I just used scrap, I want to say fabric again, scrap cardstock from other projects that I just had left over, and I just created this card really quick and easy. I didn't have to do too much to it. And that is the end of the video, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. And of course, stay tuned, because we have plenty more videos coming soon. This is a total of 25 days of Christmas crafting, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.